Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 15. Get ready for the education. Start. Sir, girls' education is free throughout the country up to class 12. Stop. In certain states, it is free even at college level. Stop. The district primary education project lays special emphasis on female literacy. Stop. 60% of the total learners in the National Literacy Mission are women. Stop. 50% of the teachers recruited under the scheme of Operation Blackboard will be women. Stop. The scheme has created a new awareness among women and has generated demand for education. Stop. A new scheme of residential primary schools for the weaker sections in rural areas is being worked out. Stop. The government is committed to the program of vocationalization of education at +2 stage. Stop. The national policy on education envisages that vocational courses should cover 10% of the higher secondary students by 1995 and 25% by the year 2000. Stop. Under the centrally sponsored scheme of vocationalization, vocational courses have been approved in schools, creating a capacity for diversion of 9 lakh students to the vocational streams, covering 11% of the enrollment at +2 stage. Stop.